short form video is literally killing your online fitness business. Welcome to the Empower Your Fitness Empire YouTube channel. Yes, believe it or not, yes, Reels, TikTok videos, all of the short form video that's under 60 seconds, right, that Instagram and TikTok and all the other platforms want you to create, right, that is literally sucking the life out of your fitness business, okay? Listen, my name is Harry King Holmes, and I help personal trainers and fitness coaches rapidly scale their fitness business online to 6 figures, okay? So today, that is the topic. That is today's episode, okay? Is short form video. Of course, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, right? Like even, YouTube, right? With the YouTube shorts, right? Now these platforms, like they're favoring short form video. And what I mean by short form video, right? Like videos that are under 60 seconds, right? Like normally short form video that, performs really well are like 30-second reels and things like that, 15 seconds, 17 seconds, or even shorter videos. And I'm telling you, we're going to break it down, but that is one of the reasons why you're not seeing the sales increase inside of your online fitness business, okay? Full disclaimer, I'm not saying to stop doing short form video, all right? Should you continue to do short form? Like, absolutely. A few different reasons to do short form video, right, is good with organic reach. Like nowadays, this is the best time to grow your social media following, grow your social media audience, reach, other prospects, bring other prospects, to your social media platform, your social media community. Short form video is the best way to do it, right? Now, should it be the only thing you do? 100% no, especially when you are scaling a high ticket offer. So just by doing short form video, you are missing out on converting those prospects that are really serious about their health and fitness, right? Those prospects that will be dream clients, right, inside of your program. And these are the ones that's going to pay you thousands and thousands of dollars to help them achieve their health and fitness goals. That's a lot of money that you're missing out on, okay? So there's different type of content, different type of videos that you want to create for different stages in the sales funnel. And what I mean by funnel, right? Like, of course, like, your sales funnel, customer journey, we call it your customer acquisition pipeline, whatever the hell you want to call it, right? There's different pieces of content that serve a different objective for each stage in that journey. So short form video, like I said, yes, it does work, but you want to use it. You want to be very intentional about the type of content that you are using in different stages of that funnel. So let's break it down real quick. And y'all, look, don't y'all be laughing at my drawing now, all right? But, y'all gonna get the point, all right? So these are the different stages, and there's some stages in between each phase, like definitely, right? But these are the main stages. You got top of funnel, middle funnel, and then bottom of funnel. So top of funnel is cold traffic, right? Cold leads. Middle of funnel, warm leads. Bottom of funnel, hot leads, all right? Now, for each one of these stages, there's different ways that you should speak to your actual customer. All right, you should not speak to, cold traffic, which is a total stranger, right? Like, do you speak to total strangers the same way you speak to your best friends? Do you speak to your current clients the same way you would speak to somebody that you see is out of shape and you don't even know them? 100% no, right? Like, you speak differently, right? Like to those type of people, right? So when you talk about your sales funnel and when you are creating marketing for each stage in the funnel, you need to speak differently to your audience while they're moving down this funnel. So the thing about top of funnel is you want to be able to drive traffic here, right? Like, this is where you're going to drive traffic to. Like, every single week, you're driving traffic to the top of funnel, right? Like brand new people that have no idea of who you are. Maybe they heard of you a little bit, right? But they're not too familiar with what you do and who you are, right? So you want to be able to create short form content, right? So the reason why short form content is good, right, and you should continue to do it, is because it's going to drive traffic right here. You can post a reel right now, right, and it's going to get good reach. You know, not all reels, right, but you can grow your audience by consistently posting reels, right, and being, you know, on point with your messaging, right, know exactly who you're talking to, right, and being very intentional about your call to actions. So when you understand those things, you drive traffic here every single week. Now, the last thing you want to do is drive traffic here, and then now this is the top of funnel was getting crowded, and you're not doing anything for warm prospects in the middle and for hot prospects. Well, actually, if you don't do anything, creating any type of content for the middle of the funnel and content for bottom of the funnel, right? Nobody's going to move down the actual sales journey. Everybody's going to stay up here. And you just continue to create short form content, and you drive everybody right here. All right. Now, the other type of content that you want to create is long form content. Okay. Long form content, I consider long form content anything 2 minutes and above. Anything 2 minutes and above, you want to create the long form content where you're continuing to, you know, qualify people at the top, right? You want to qualify people and disqualify people, right? And how you do that is by, yes, continuing to post short form content, but you also want to post long form content. Because remember when I was talking about the people that are serious about their health and fitness, right? They're going to be dream clients for your online fitness program, and they're going to pay you thousands and thousands of dollars. These are the people that you're taking from the top of funnel and bringing them down here, right here to the middle, right? So you're creating long form content for them to consume and bringing them right here, and to disqualify the ones that are not serious about their health and fitness, that are not going to be dream clients, and that are not going to pay you thousands and thousands of dollars. Long form content, this is what we want to create long form content for, right here for the middle of the funnel. So when you're not doing that, you're literally just keeping everybody right here, right? And it's not to say that you won't. So normally you will convert, you know, especially when you have the right strategy, you convert 5 to 10% of people from the top of funnel, if you have the right strategy, right? But what is probably happening with you is you're getting most of your clients from word of mouth, right? And from client referrals, because you don't really have an actual marketing strategy and a sales process that allows you to get clients also from social media. This is what you also want to include along with a client referral program, along with word of mouth, because what that says is you're good at what you fucking do. Your clients love the service, your clients are loving the results, so they're telling other people about you and people are talking about you, and that's how you're getting most of your clientele. Now, what's going to take you to 6 figures and beyond is continuing to do that, optimize that, but also getting a sales funnel. So now we can get more people at the top of funnel, bring them to the middle of the funnel, have them come down here to the bottom of the funnel, and then enroll them into your program. So now you got more people speaking and giving you client referrals and things like that. That's the easiest to close, is client referrals, because they already have somebody else's word to go based on your program and the results instead of just yours. So I'm going to give you an example of why this is important and how you already use it in other areas in your life. So let's talk about relationships, right? So one, I'm 35 years old, right? So I'm in a relationship, but you know, it was a time in my life where, you know, I wasn't looking for no long-term relationship, right? Like in my early 20s, like I was out here, like, you know, I'm enjoying my life, right? You know, so, but as I got older, my values changed. My goals changed, right? My purpose in life changed, right? I got a son now. A lot of things has changed in my life. So a couple of years ago, I wasn't dating to just be, moving around and in short-term relationships and things. I was dating for marriage, right? Like I was dating to be in a long-term, in a committed relationship. So let's talk about relationships real quick and compare it to a funnel, because it's literally the same thing. So if you're a single, or whenever you were single, and say your objective was to get in a long-term relationship. Now, you may be going on dating sites, you go out, like you hang out, you meet people, right? When you're meeting people, this is you driving traffic to the top of the funnel. You're dating and you're driving traffic to the top of funnel. And you're going to get some people, you're going to get two types of people that are looking for long-term relationships and people that are not. Two different objectives. The person that's looking for the long-term relationship, right? Like they're probably dating for marriage, right? Like they want to find that one person that they can be with, that they can love, that they can grow with. Now, the other person that is not looking for anything long term, they're probably looking to, just hang out, right? Like, somebody to talk to every now and then. Maybe somebody that just want to hit it and quit it, right? Like, maybe they just want to, have a physical relationship with you and nothing emotional, nothing spiritual, right? So those are the two type of people that you're going to drive to the top of your funnel when you are dating. Now, in order to disqualify and qualify people, what are some things that you're requiring from that person, right? So you got the person that's looking for a long-term relationship. They're going to want to do what? They're going to want to talk to you on the phone, FaceTime you on the phone, right? Spend time with you, right? Go out to dinner, go to the show, walks on the park, grab some tacos here and there, right? Like they're going to actually want to spend time with you. Keyword, time, right? Because they are in the stage of trying to figure out if you are a good fit and you're in the same stage as well. So the only way to do that is to spend time with a person. Now, let's talk about the other person that is not serious about a long-term relationship. They just trying to hit it and quit it. They moving around. They going, from this person to that person. They're not serious. Do you think that they're going to want to spend that much time with you as much as a person who is looking for a long-term committed relationship? 100% no, they're not. Maybe a text here and there, but they're not being consistent with that. Or maybe we can chill, but they never want to actually go out and spend time with you outside of the house, right? You get what I'm saying? So these are two different type of people. So you're going to need to have you're going to have certain qualifications, right? To be able to qualify the person that wants a long-term relationship and disqualify the person that wants a long-term relationship. But imagine if you was looking for a long-term relationship, you say that, but you're not giving anybody the opportunity to spend time with you. You're not giving anybody the opportunity to actually, talk to you on the phone for 30 minutes an hour, right? FaceTime you, right? You're not giving any of these people an opportunity. You know what they're going to do? The people that are looking for long-term relationships, they're going to go to the next person. Let's flip it and talk about your business again, right? If you're only creating short-form content and you don't have any long-form content for the serious prospects for them to actually spend time on, keyword time, spend time on consuming your content, and you don't have any long-form content for them to watch, any long-form content for them to binge, guess what they're going to do? They're going to move on to the next fitness professional that does. You get what I'm saying? Are y'all get where I'm going with this? Okay, so you want to make sure that you also, continue to create that short form content to drive traffic at the top of the funnel. But what's most important, what's going to change your business is you making sure that you have that long form content for those serious prospects that are serious about their health and fitness, that are going to be dream clients and going to pay you thousands of dollars so that they can become the better version of themselves that you are saying that you help people do. So now when you have the long form content, now you can actually get people down here. You can actually get people to the bottom of the funnel, right? You can start getting these prospects on the phone call, right? And make your offers to them so that you can scale your online fitness business. So yes, and also what's more important is how you speak, to them how you speak to people here at the top of funnel. Oh, nice to meet you. My name is blah, blah, blah. This is what I do. And, you know, this is a little bit about me and blah, blah, blah. This is what I'm looking for, right? And you trying to see if the other person is looking for that, right? Bringing them here, and then we come here. All right, let's talk a little bit more. Let me get to know you a little bit more. Let me learn a little bit more about what you do, how you can provide value to my life. And the same thing for the other person on the other side of the table, right? That's what we're doing right here in the middle of the funnel. And then if we like what we hear, right? If we both like what we hear, let's really talk about what that could look like for the both of us and how we both can provide value for each other. And if things sound good, cool. Let's sign up and let's get you the ultimate transformation that you need. So you want to have long form content for high ticket prospects to consume and to binge watch to convert more high ticket clients in your online fitness offer. Now, these are some of my favorite long form video content to create and some of the ways to use it in different platforms. Live video is one. Live video on Instagram or whatever. If your customer is hanging out on Instagram, go live on Instagram. If your customers are hanging out on Facebook, go live on Instagram simultaneously. It's called a dual live. Email marketing. So once you start getting these prospects at the top of the funnel and you start actually getting leads, right, on the back end, you can serve them through email marketing, right? And now the call to action in those email campaigns that you're sending them to long form pieces of content, things like YouTube, right? Podcasts. You can also send them to video trainings that are, 2 to 10 minutes long, right? Things like that. Okay. So just to recap, all right. Yes, continue to do short form content. Don't stop doing that, right? But also make sure that you're doing the long form content as well. Now, I have a video where I'm talking about how to take a long form video and repurpose short form pieces of content on multiple platforms. That way you can work hard once and then work smart afterwards. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, feel free to share this with another fitness professional that needs to see this, and I'll see you on the next video.
Young Apollo with the win.